In this video, let me show you how to set up the Spotify family plan. If you're trying to go premium on Spotify and get the family plan, in today's video, let me show you how. Let's head over to the app of Spotify. Now, in order to purchase and upgrade to premium, you will need to tap on the premium option on the bottom right of the screen. Once you're inside of the premium section, if you scroll down, you can see all of the available plans right now. Along with the plan, you can also see the pricing. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see the family plan. It's going to cost you about $5.79 per month. And you can have access to 6 premium accounts, which means each of those accounts can play separate songs. To get the family plan, tap on the Get Premium Family and then choose a method of payment. Either you can choose the Spotify option or the Google Play option, which will have the option of Visa or MasterCard. You can also do the same with Spotify. Tap on Continue with Spotify. And you'll be taken to this checkout section where you can either choose the PayPal option or the debit or credit card option. Choose your payment method and continue with the checkout. After you made your payment, you'll be successfully set up and have the Spotify family plan. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.